Productivity Commission report has been released. This is the 5-yearly report. It has finally dropped. Reforming essential services such as education and health have been highlighted as a key focus for Australia to shore up its future prosperity. Live to Olivia Casely for more. Olivia, talk us through the key recommendations here.
Well, this report, it's nearly 1,000 pages long and has 9 volumes, so I'm still working my way through it. But it does lay out a pretty ambitious reform agenda that focuses on 5 pillars, and they are building a skilled workforce, harnessing data, creating a more dynamic economy, lifting productivity in the non-market sector, and securing net zero at least cost. So some of my favourite recommendations we've seen so far is this creation of nested tertiary qualifications. So that's if you complete half of a uni degree, you should still be eligible for some form of qualification. Another is that the Commission's backing the safeguard mechanism as the best way to drive down emissions, and they've recommended progressively tweaking it to cover a wider range of sectors. They say that's going to increase certainty and reduce investment risk. And lastly, Australian governments, both state and federal, should also work towards an intergovernmental agreement on road user charging for all vehicle types. Now, the Treasurer, Jim Chalmers, he had a doorstop a little earlier, and he says there's a big challenge ahead of him rather to improve productivity, but it's time to invest in people.
The Albanese Labor government is already acting on each of the 5 themes and on something like 2/3 of the reform directions proposed by the Productivity Commission today in their report. Now, obviously, no government picks up and runs with every single recommendation, and that will be the case once again. Our predecessors fully implemented precisely none of the recommendations of the last PC review. We are working on around 2/3 of the reform directions, each of the 5 themes, and I'll obviously consult with state colleagues and others.
I look forward to reading through more of this report. And the Treasurer earlier, he indicated that the government's specifically focusing at looking at 2/3 of the 71 recommendations. Tom.
We'll let you get away and do that, Olivia. Thank you.